The is used before each comparative degree. The is used before each comparative degree. Right. It means that, like, if I write here, that is the plus comparative degree plus, there will be sentence, so I'm just writing subject plus verb. Then again in the next sentence again we use the plus comparative degree and then subject plus verb. So you can write like this: the plus comparative degree plus subject plus verb, comma, the plus comparative degree plus subject and verb. Like you say most of the time, sir, the more he gets, the more he wants. What? The more he gets, the more he gets. The more he wants. The higher we go, the colder we feel. Like, so what you can say, the higher we go, the colder we feel. The colder we feel. You can take your own examples.
The more you learn, the more you want.
Yes, the more you learn, the more you want. Right? The more you learn, the more you want. Okay? Take some other example.
The demand of goods increase at the decreasing rate.
No, not that. You have to follow this structure. You follow this structure. You can say the deeper the well is, the cooler the weather is. What? The deeper the well is, the cooler the weather is. This is sometimes a type of saying. Or you can take some more examples. Puneet, you give some examples. Balvinder, on this structure. The more we earn, the more we expect.
Yes.
Right? So, some more examples. Make your own examples. Okay. One more examples. Okay, fine. We'll move ahead with the next point, and that is also very important. Write the next rule. if a singular countable noun, is used after a comparative degree, if a singular countable noun is used after a comparative degree, a or an is used before a comparative degree, right? Like if I say like Aryan is better singer than what? Adil. Aryan is better singer than Adil. So this sentence is incomplete. What we say? If we use comparative degree before a singular countable noun. So singular countable noun, this one is one. Countable noun, okay. And this is comparative degree. This is countable noun. So we use a here. Aryan is a better singer than Adil. When you say Aryan is better singer than Adil, it will be fine. But if you are using this comparative before this what? Singer. So you have to use either article a or an. So Aryan is a better singer than Adil. Okay. Take some another examples. Like you can say, sir, this is an older institute. This is an older institute than that. This is an older institute, and you cannot say this is older institute than that. This is an older book than that. This is an older what? Pen than that. So I mean, whenever we use what? Noun, singular countable noun before whenever we use any comparative degree before singular countable noun, so this is comparative degree, so we always use a or an. We always use a or an. So here I used an. Okay. So have I made myself clear?
Yes.
No doubt? Okay. Fine. So we will move ahead with the next rule. Write the next rule. The is used before the common noun used in noun in apposition. Used in noun in apposition. Used in noun in opposition. So in the topic syntax, we learned about the topic noun in opposition. First, you will explain me what is noun in opposition. Noun in opposition क्या होता है? What is noun in opposition? What is noun in opposition? Forgot? So you have to keep on learning. पीछे के सारे points अगर आप भूल जाओगे तो there is no use of learning. So I told you, I gave you one example, like the best example I said, I, what? Mr. Ahmed, I, Mr. Ahmed, is your English faculty. I, Mr. Ahmed, is your English faculty. So I told you we always use verb according to this first subject. According. So this is what? Wrong. What was the correct? Yes, I, Mr. Ahmed, what? Am your English faculty. This one is correct. Today we are going to learn some different rules related with the same noun in opposition. So what did I say? I said the is used before common noun used in noun in opposition. Right. So if I take some examples, Tagore. So Tagore, the poet, is famous. So poet is common noun. Before this common noun, I use the. Right? I use what? The. So if you say Adil, the painter, is laborious. So the painter, Adil, the painter is what? Common noun. So it is about noun in positions. So whenever we use noun in a position, so before common noun we always use the article. Next, right, and that is very important rule. Right, when a proper noun is compared to the other proper noun, of the same class on the basis of qualities. When a proper noun is compared to the other proper noun of the same class on the basis of what? Qualities. The is used before the other proper noun. Like you can say, Sir, Mumbai is the London of India. Right? Like you can say Abdul Kalam is the Newton of what? India. Dara Singh, or you can say he is the Dara Singh of Bihar. So here I am not telling about like. As I said in the first rule, a or an is used before what? Before a proper noun to make it common noun, to use it as a common noun. किसी भी proper noun को आप common noun की तरह use करना चाहते हो, so what you have to use? A or an. But here I am doing comparison. If I say you are a Gandhi of my class, so I am not comparing with Mahatma Gandhi. I mean you are like Mahatma Gandhi. But here if I say Mumbai is the London of India, it means before London if I am using this the article, so I am comparing Mumbai with London. I am comparing Abdul Kalam with the what? Newton. And I am telling he, mean I am comparing he with whom? Dara Singh. He can be any person, right?
Yes.
So this rule is very important.
Sorry, वो noun in a position वाला दोबारा बताओ.
So noun in a position मैंने आपको बताया था जब syntax पढ़ा रहा था. So that whenever there is noun in a position, when I say I, Mr. Ahmed, is your English faculty, this sentence is wrong. Why this is wrong? We always use the verb according to this I or first subject, you can say, right? But today I am not talking about this rule. I am talking about if I use the same concept. This is Tagore the poet. It is noun in a position. Tagore कौन है? Poet है. So you have to use this poet is a common noun. So before this common noun you have to use what? The article. So you have to say Tagore the poet is famous, right? Balvinder, maybe you are manager. So I say Balvinder the manager is industrious. ठीक है? तो Balvinder the manager. तो manager क्या हो गया? Common noun हो गया. तो उससे पहले हमने क्या यूज किया? The is industrious. क्या है? बहुत industrious है, बहुत laborious है. Means. Getting my points?
Yes.
Okay. So, can we take some more examples related to this?
Kashmir is the Switzerland of India.
Yes, Kashmir is the Switzerland of India. Right? Okay, good example. Good. Now go ahead with the next rule. What is time by your watch?
6 o'clock.
Okay. Now, I'll try to bind up this. If two or more than two persons, names are same, and we have to show different one of them, is used before different showing person's name. The is used before different showing person's name. Like I said, as I said in the beginning of the class, what? There are two Mohans in my class. There are two Mohans in my class. There are two Mohans in my class. But there are two Mohans in my class. But I like the Mohan who is absent. But I like the Mohan who is absent. So here in the basic rules we don't use any article before what? Any proper noun. We don't use any article before proper noun. But yesterday we learned one point, that is we say, "Hey, Mr. Gupta wants to meet you." Why we use a Mr. Gupta before Mr. Gupta? Why we use a unknown for some or uncertain, so for some or some certain person, that is unknown, a certain person, unknown. That is one rule. This is again another rule. Mohan is what? Proper noun. So I said there are two Mohans in my class. लेकिन मैं किसको like करता हूँ? But I what? But I like the Mohan. I miss the word like. But I like the Mohan who is absent today. Who is absent or who is absent today? If you want to make it more clear, you can use who is absent today. But I like the Mohan who is absent today. So this point, suppose you are Puneet, Sushil, and his name is also Sushil. So I said there are two Sushils in my class. There are two Sushils in my class. But I like the Sushil who is wearing what? Green jacket. I like the Sushil who is wearing what? Green jacket. Getting my points?
Yes.
Who is wearing green jacket. So I said I like the Sushil. So Sushil is what? Proper noun. But again I am using definite article the. Understood?
Yes.
सर ये सिर्फ नाम के साथ ही होता है यहाँ पर, जैसे ये सेंटेंस है कि देयर आर टू डॉग्स इन माय कॉलोनी, आई लाइक द वाइट वन, तो
I like the white one. It is okay.
सर बट ये बस सिर्फ नाम के साथ ही होते हैं, जैसे डॉग है उसके साथ भी होगा यहाँ.
Common noun है तो normally I wrote. So when we talk about definite articles, so the basic use of definite. What is the meaning of definite? Definite means particular. So this is the basic use, particular or specific. So whenever we use anything in the sense of a specific or particular, you are using the. So you said there are two dogs in my colony. I like the white one. So you are making it in a particular sense, right? I like the white one.
सर आपने ये लिखा था ना रूल में, तो देयर आर मोर.
I'm talking about here the proper noun.
सर यहाँ पर नेम्स लिखा है.
हैं?
names लिखा है शायद आपने
हाँ, names are proper nouns. Names क्या होते हैं? Proper noun होते हैं. ठीक है? Okay. अब देखो proper noun name of a country.
ऐसे आपने पर्सन नेम बोला तो प्रॉपर नाउन लिख देते हैं ना।
हाँ, तो नाम जो भी होता है सब प्रॉपर नाउन होते हैं. It is not about the name. I am giving the example of with this person's name. But जैसे इंडिया, अब मैं नेक्स्ट पॉइंट पे आ रहा हूँ. इंडिया है या आप कोई भी कंट्री का नाम ले लो, इनसे पहले हम क्या नहीं करते हैं? द का यूज नहीं करते हैं. Getting my points? You cannot say the India. The Indians कह सकते हो, nationality expressing words. But the India नहीं. India is a great country. The India is a great country. We don't say. But there are some countries or states where we use the before that country. So write that name. The is used before. The is used before the name of some countries or states.
The used before.
The is used before the name of some countries or states. Like we say the United States. What we say? The United States. The United States. Right? The same way we say what? The Sudan.
Sudan.
Right? Is a country, Gulf. In Gulf it is the name of a country. The Sudan. Nearby Bahrain actually.
इसके साथ क्यों
So these are some countries' name where we use the. Right? In the same way you can say the USSR. We don't say USSR. We say the USSR. USSR. The Yemen. So you have to remember, जैसे before the name of some islands we don't use the Java, Sicily, Ceylon, Sumatra, right? So you can make your own research. Why we use the before this, right? So the United States, the Sudan, the USSR, the Yemen, the United Kingdom. You can also write that the United Kingdom. The United Kingdom.
बहुत सारे स्टेट्स मिलाकर बने हैं तभी
But not like Sudan is not a lot of. See, states का मतलब यह नहीं राज्य नहीं है. It is not like that. Country के लिए भी states use करते हैं. It is countries or states. So the United States, right?
तो फिर इनका वो होगा
Right. So there are some more countries. You can write the Soviet Union, the Netherlands. You have to remember that. The Netherlands. The Netherlands. The Netherlands. So how many countries are there? 7 countries, and the head. Seven countries are there.
एक कंट्री सर
So this is name of a country, and before the name of this country we use the. But suppose that if I talk about Uttar Pradesh or Bihar or Punjab, we don't say the Punjab. We don't say the India. But in a special cases, when you make it in a particular sense, we use what? We use the before this proper noun. Suppose if I take some examples, some other examples. So I say like the India of 1947 was what? The India of 1947 was underdeveloped. The India of 1947 was underdeveloped. Right? You can say some other examples. Give some other examples. Any examples? You can say the Punjab of 1970s. The Punjab of 1970s was united. Okay.
समझ नहीं लग रहा था पास्ट की बात होगी इसमें
It is not about the past. I'm talking about India, but it is especially I'm talking about 1947. Yes, of course. I'm talking about India, but especially which India? The India of the specific India of what? 1947. Because of that, I use the before India. The before India.
स्पेसिफिक डेट
Specific, yes.
Specific.
So these countries, the United States, the Sudan, the USSR, the Yemen, the United Kingdom, the Netherlands, they have, right? The A. So we use the before these countries by default. You have to mug up these points. But I am talking about another point that we don't use the before India, but I have used the before India in this example. So I am talking about India of 1947 was underdeveloped. Right? Suppose that you are from which village? What is the name of your village? Kathua, right? So you can say the Kathua of 1920s was very developed. Right? Getting my points? So it means 1920s का जो कठुआ था उस वक्त क्या था? बहुत डेवलप था.
Yeah, the date.
Yeah, the Delhi of Delhi is the capital of India. We don't say the Delhi is the capital of India. But when you say the Delhi of 1950s or 1950 was not so polluted.